So you don't want to miss this potty training trick. I use it all the time for children who are apprehensive about flushing the poop, about looking at the poop. You know, they don't like the smell. They don't like to even see it. So sprinkles. So you're going to say like, ew, like sprinkles. Yeah, I know, a little bit ill. This is not a reward. This is more like a little activity. Now, I'm not talking about children who have increases or are severe withholders. No. This is for regular poopers. This here is a sprinkle mix. The way you use it is after they poop, you say, great job. You get to sprinkle the poop away and flush it down the toilet. Which color do you want? Now the child is interested. So now they're going to be like, oh, red. Great job. You open up the red compartment, sprinkle a little red on the toilet bowl and flush it. Now the kid is all excited and they're like, bye-bye poop. Bye-bye poop. This is Anna teaching you how to potty train your children. Peace.